Hi there, let's talk about different Power BI offerings. We have got offerings which includes desktop, service and mobile. Desktop is a free application that you install on your local computer which lets you connect to, transform and visualize your data. Then we have got a Power BI service. It's a software as a service which brings together dashboards, workspaces, reports and datasets for keeping a finger on the pulse of your business. Then we have got mobile, where you can connect to and interact with your cloud and the on-premises data. You create reports in Power BI desktop, you create the dashboards and view the dashboards and reports in the Power BI report service. You view on-premises Power BI reports on the Power BI report server. All these reports and dashboards are available in the Power BI mobile apps, whether they are on-premises or in the cloud. How you use Power BI might depend on your role on a project or a team. And other people in other roles might use Power BI differently, which is just okay. The flow of work in Power BI. A common flow of work begins in Power BI desktop where a report is created. That report is then published to the Power BI service and finally shared so that the users of Power BI mobile apps can consume the information. Next, talking about the use of Power BI. As a data analyst, the activities and analysis that you will learn and use with Power BI would follow a common flow. You bring data into the Power BI where the data is cleaned, transformed and modeled and the reports are created. The reports are then published to the Power BI service where you build the dashboards or create new visualizations, and then you share the dashboards and other Power BI assets with others, specifically people who are on the go. You can view and interact with shared reports and dashboards in the Power BI mobile application. You might spend all your time in the Power BI service viewing visuals and reports that have been created by others. Someone else on your team might spend their time in Power BI desktop. To help you understand the full continuum of the Power BI and what it can do, we'll show you all of it together. And then you can decide how to use it to the best of the advantage. So that's about different ways in which you can use Power BI.